So guys, this is the next question we have. In the question, it's given that x comma y are some positive integers, right? And x plus y is given out to be 7, okay? And we have to find the mean of 6 comma 7 comma 1 comma 5 comma x comma y, and similarly the median, and we have to compare. We don't have to find the mean, we have to compare the mean of this and the median of this, okay? This is the mean, right? Okay, perfect. So now it's given that x plus y is equals to 7, right? So x plus y is equals to 7. This is given, right? And it's also given that they both are positive integers, right? So let's talk about the possible cases. Okay. So one possible case is that x is equals to 1, y is equals to 6, right? A possibility. The other possibility is x is equals to 2, y is equals to 5, right? The other possibility is x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4, right? Am I right? Similarly, now the possibilities will repeat, right? Uh, that x is equals to 4, y is equals to 3, and x is equals to 5, y is equals to 2, similarly, and so on, right? But basically, these are the three unique cases because these are kind of repeating, because in this case, uh, x is 4 and y is 3. In this case, y is 4, x equals to 3. So they kind of both are interchangeable. So let's focus on these three cases, right? Okay. So now for the first case, what's the mean? So the mean will always be the same irrespective of what case. Why? Because the mean will be 6 plus 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus x plus y upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, right? And we know that x plus y is equals to 7. So 6 plus 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 upon 6, right? This turns out to be how much? 6 plus 7, 13, plus 1, 14, plus 5, 19, plus 7, 26 by 6. This comes out to be 26 by 6, right? Which is 6 to the 24.2, 4.3 something, right? Let's talk about that later. So the median, this is the mean. So this is the mean, right? So that means the mean comes out to be 4.3, right? Which is very basic, right? This is given and we can directly take out the mean. But for the median, what did I say? We have to arrange the numbers first in the ascending order, right? And then we have to find the median. So let's take this case, right? Where x is equals to 1, y is equals to 6. So now let's arrange these numbers in ascending order. So we have 1, right? We have one more 1, which is x, right? After that we have, what do we have? We have 5, right? After that we have 6 and 6, 6 comma 6, and we have 1, 7, right? So this is one case. Similarly, let's take this case. We took this one. Now let's take this one. In this one, we have the smallest number 1. Then we have 2, right? Then we have 5, right? We have one more 5, which is y. Then we have 6 and 7, right? I hope this should be clear. Similarly, now let's take this case, the third one. The smallest number we have is 1. The next smallest number we have is 3. The next smallest number we have is 4. The next smallest number is 5, then 6, and 7. So 5, then 6, then 7. Right? I hope this should be clear, no doubt over here. Okay, so now these are the three possible cases, right? And these cases are also there, but they will be kind of same, right? Like you will get the same results. So I'm not considering the remaining cases because in total there could be 6 cases, 1, 2, 3, and similarly 3 more in which the y and the x value is interchanged. But I'm not considering those because you'll anyways get the same results. So let's talk about these three cases, right? So we have found these to be the series. So now let's find out the median for all of these, right? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers. So I told you when there are even number of the count is even number, then what we do is we do n by 2. So that is 6 by 2, which is third, right? So over here we have 6 numbers. So the third term plus the next term, which is the fourth term, by 2. This is the median, right? This is the median for even number, like for the number of numbers which is even, right? So for that case, the third plus fourth by 2. So what is third? 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 6 by 2. So that means 5 plus 6 by 2, that means 11 by 2, that means 5.5, right? Similarly, third plus fourth, 1, 2, 3 plus 4, that means 5 plus 5 by 2, which is 10 by 2, which is 5, right? Similarly, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 plus 5, which is 9, 9 by 2, which is 4.5, right? So these are the three possible values of the median: 5.5, 5 and 4.5, right? I hope this should be clear. And the value of the mean was 4.3. So irrespective of whatever value you take of the median, whether you take 5.5, whether you take 5, whether you take 4.5, it is always greater than the mean, which is 4.3, right? So that means the median is greater than the mean. So your answer becomes B. I hope this should be clear. Simple question, not very tough. You just have to, keep yourself calm and just use some basic logics. So we first made the possible cases and then you find the median. And you will realize that the median is always bigger than the mean, because the median is 5.5 or 5 or 4.5, but the mean is always 4.3. So this is always greater. So the answer is B.